So this Christmas, I was gifted the most incredible book. I'm absolutely delighted with it, and I just had to share it with you. So it's called Aroma Alchemy. It's by Holly Brandenberger. I've been following her on Instagram for some time now, and she's a fabulous aromatherapist. I've always been so interested in the way that we can use plants for our well-being, how they can help us with our health, and this book is just absolutely fabulous. So it teaches you all about the different qualities of all the gorgeous plants. So she talks here about chamomile, for example, um, teaching us like how it's good for your mood, how it's good for our nervous systems, etc., etc. And it's just wonderful. And not only does she teach us about the basics of aromatherapy, but it's full of gorgeous recipes as well. Absolutely stunning. So, I've got things here like afternoon energy boost roller, which is like a roller ball you can pop it on, and the aromatherapy oils will make you give you that boost in your energy. There's gorgeous recipes for soaps as well, and there's things like shampoos, there's masks, there's bath salts, you name it, it's all in here. But it also has a really fantastic glossary of the plants as well here, and just their uses and how to use them safely as well. She has a really gorgeous aromatherapy garden where she grows like marigolds and lavender and everything, all the wonderful things, calendula, the wonderful plants that she uses in her recipes. So I just wanted to share that with you. Yeah, it's a really great read. I definitely recommend cells. Now, there's loads of great ideas for useful plants you could be growing in your own garden in my free ebook, 50 Fabulous Ideas to Create the Garden of Your Dreams. You'll find the link in my bio, and if you're watching this on TikTok, you'll find it in the comments. You can just copy paste that into your browser and you'll be able to download it from there. Have a great week. Take care. Bye.